us when it's going. Hi, I'm Ty.
I'm Samantha.
We're gonna be going over transatlantic and trans-Saharan slave trade. The transatlantic slave trade was mainly men, not women. The men worked on sugar plantations in the Caribbean islands. The sugar plantations obtained hundreds of workers each, especially during the harvest season, because raw sugar can go bad within 36 hours. So this means that the slaves could be up for 2 days straight processing the sugar. These slaves were traded for high quality goods such as guns and silk and were put on ships to be taken to the Americas. These ships could have up to 400 slaves, and each slave was given about 4 square feet of space. That's how many slaves could have been on one ship. And here's some of the trade routes. See the routes coming from the African coastline to South America and North America and the Caribbean right here and stuff. Your turn.
Okay. So the trans-Saharan trade was the tasks that African slaves performed in the Islamic world were very different from their tasks in the Americas. In the late 17th and 18th centuries, Morocco's rulers employed an army of 150,000 slaves obtained from the south to keep them in power. In contrast to the makeup of the Atlantic slave trade, the majority of the slaves crossing the desert were women, intended to serve wealthy households as concubines and servants. The trans-Saharan slave trade also included a much higher proportion of children than did the Atlantic slave trade. And this is the Saharan slave trade routes. Yeah.
And that's it. Hope this helped. See ya.